Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to install VirtualBox and Kali Linux on our host machine. I'm going to leave the links in the video description. So let's get started. First thing we need to do, we need to head over to VirtualBox and we're going to select our operating system for our host machine. As you can see, I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click Windows. If you are on Mac, click Mac, or if you're already running on Linux, you click Linux. We also need to download the extension pack down here. It's the same for all platforms. So just click download. Once both of these are downloaded, you can click on VirtualBox. So you can start the installation. Click on next. You can leave the defaults if you want. You can change it. Again, you can choose your options here. Click next. You can click next and continue the installation. I'm going to cancel this. I already have VirtualBox installed in my computer. So I'm going to exit out of this. And once that VirtualBox is installed, open up VirtualBox if it's not open already. And as you can see, I have a few machines already in VirtualBox. You won't see any of these, but you will see this screen here. First thing, we need to import the extension pack that we downloaded. So click File, Preferences, Extensions, Plus, and find that extension pack should be in your Downloads folder and click Open. Already have this, so click OK. Now that we have VirtualBox set up, we can go to the Kali Linux website. And we need to click on Kali Linux VirtualBox. Make sure it's VirtualBox. Images, click here. If you have a 64-bit machine, click on 64. If you are on a 32, click 32. I'm going to cancel this. Already download this in my computer. You can pause the video and wait for your download to finish. Once it's downloaded, you can get rid of the browser. You can come back to VirtualBox. And we need to import that image. So click import. And you need to go to your downloads and find that file. I have this file in another drive. I have a folder named operating systems. I have all my operating systems here. You can only see this one because of the type of file that we're looking for. Select it, click open, and click next. Here you can see all the details: the name, product, vendor, version, description, CPUs, memory, sound card, the network adapter, all the details from your virtual machine that we're going to create. So click on import. You need to accept the Kali Linux license. So click agree. And this should take a couple of minutes depending on your computer, on your host computer. So in my computer, it would take probably 1 minute or maybe less. So maybe we can just wait for the setup, or while it's provisioning the resources for our virtual machine. Time is going up actually, but okay, that's better. Almost here. All right. Good. And as you can see, you're supposed to see your Kali Linux virtual machine here. Again, these are ones that I have from before. Before we get the virtual machine started, let's select it, click on settings. Here in this tab, you can see the details again. You can increase the memory if you want, depending on how much memory do you have. I have 32 gigabytes. I can give it a few more, a few more gigs to this computer. Processor, you can pick, it has two, you can give it a one or two more depending on your computer. Display, 128, that's perfect. Storage, let's go to network and change the adapter 1 to bridge adapter so we can have connection to the internet. Click OK. And now we're ready to start. You can double click your machine. And this will start your virtual machine. We bring this window over. Let me drag it again. Minimize this. Click inside and hit enter on your keyboard. So it can start booting up our virtual machine. You can close this, drag this to the middle. Let's wait until the virtual machine is ready. Give it a couple of seconds. And here we go. The default credentials for Kali will be Kali and password Kali. Hit enter. And here we go. Let's test that we have internet connection. So open the terminal, and in the terminal type ping and type google.com. So ping will let us know if we have internet connection. Hit enter, and as you can see, we are getting a response from Google. On your keyboard, hold Control-C, cancel that, and your virtual machine is ready. You can see all the tools and utilities that we have pre-installed in Kali, like Wireshark. And that's it. You're ready to start hacking. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.